YouTubers, and welcome to the official SJCAM review channel on YouTube powered by SJCAM Today we're going to be doing an all-in-one review, and it's for the SJCAM SJ4000 Plus 2K edition. In this review we're just going to show you the build of the unit, the packaging, the accessories, and then we're going to power up the unit and show you the menu and the settings, and just talk about some of the new functionality that the SJ4000 Plus 2K version adds. Before we get started though, I'm going to make sure to remind you to like our video. Also, subscribe to the SJCAM review channel. And with that, let's get started. So we have this SJ4000 Plus. It comes in 8 colors, and our website I think it says 7, so we'll update that. And again, you can just see it's really clear, yellow, white, gold, blue, silver, red, pink, and black. And we'll just use this gold version for review purposes. So on the back here we can see that it has a 1.5 inch LCD screen. On the side here we have a micro HDMI port, and this supports HDMI out, and we have a micro USB port, mic hole, micro SD card slot. Now this can support 64 gigabyte or 128 gigabyte cards, but we will test and see which cards it supports first before confirming that on our website. So if you want to confirm with us before purchasing, or with your resellers before purchasing, please just write us an email at support@sjcamhd.com, and we should be able to answer that question for you shortly. So here you can see the LCD screen is on, nice and clear. On the side here we have scroll up, scroll down button, speaker. The top here we have an OK slash shutter button. On the bottom here we have a battery. So pretty simple design. Now one thing I like about this camera is that this kind of has like a nice texture and is rubbery, so that means that it's going to be it will be really hard to slip out of your hand, so it has a nice grip on it. Okay, and the SJ4000 Plus 2K comes pre-installed inside of a waterproof case, which is waterproof up to 30 meters. So nice design. The buttons have been approved, they're easier to press. And this is the original case. Again, it has silver screws. And the packaging, it improves. So basically there's a hard box, and inside we have 3 carton boxes. And one is for accessories. The other one holds the camera pre-installed inside of the waterproof case. And the bottom is another accessories box. So that's the 3-compartment box. Basically ensures that your camera is going to be really safe during shipment and it won't get damaged. Now we have an assortment of accessories here, and we've actually done several unboxings, so I won't spend too much time on the accessories, as it's pretty self-explanatory. Many free accessories, nice, at least $40 value. And again, you can check the accessories out in depth in our unboxing review, or on our website. We'll have a picture of all the accessories. One quick note though, this case back door, this is not waterproof. This is like for like dust proof, and if you want to have a sound or whatever, you want to record sound or audio. So this case is not, this back cover is not waterproof, so just be aware. It also comes with a manual, which is multi-language. And again, we've shown this off several times, so I won't spend too much time on the manual in this review. So we have many other like unboxings on for 4000 Plus on our YouTube channel, but I wanted to get the full 10 minutes in on this review, as we only have 10 minutes on YouTube. Okay, so for this part 2, we will actually dim the lights. So we'll zoom in and dim the lights. So again, I want to take this time to remind you guys to like our video, also subscribe. And 1 second please guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go dim the lights. Okay, so this 4000 Plus model, it's been around for a while actually by now, but not this model. This is the 4000 Plus 2K edition, and we'll probably actually update the boot logo just to emphasize that it does have 2K video record. So we'll press the mode button. Mouse has power. Oops, okay. And it looks like I have this in Turkish now. So that's one cool thing that this latest edition adds, is it adds I think 4 or 5 new languages. So 18 languages in total. So there we go. So we'll start actually with this version. So this is version 1.9. And this firmware was last updated on August 10. Now check out SJCAM HD, the official website on the blog, because actually today, which is September 7th, we're going to be releasing the latest firmware. Now the latest firmware, it actually improves some of the functions that this camera adds to the older, the 2K version adds, such as gyro anti-shake function. So this is really important if you want to have the camera for recording videos, this like basically stabilization. So let's just maybe just go start from the back. So we'll start up in the resolution, and we'll just show you the menus. So 2K video record at 30 frames per second, and this is at 2560 by 1440. And it supports 1080p at 60 frames per second. Cyclic record. WDR, which is wide dynamic range. So this is actually a function that's been improved. Stabilization, which is again, it's the gyro anti-shake. So this is a very important function for many people, like especially for drone flyers or such. Motion detection, audio, date snapping, TV out, which is the same as AV out. Now this is another function that the SJ4000 Plus 2K improves on. It supports real-time AV out. TV mode, so it depends on which region you're in. OSD mode. Image size, so again, this does have a 12 megapixel camera, and you can see it's 4032 by 3024, and here are some of the other resolutions. Let's check out capture mode, sequence. Format SSID. So another mode that this will have very soon is burst mode. So I believe that will support 3 rapid shots in 1 second. So it's good for maybe you're shooting speeding objects. So Wi-Fi SSID is like a hotspot settings. Car mode, which is like a dash cam. License number settings, so you can stamp your video with your license plate number. Now languages, again, this supports quite a few languages, which we've kind of shown. But the new languages real quick are Czech, Slovak, Hungarian, Danish, Dutch, and Turkish. So beep sound, which it beeps when the recording has begun or stopped. Frequency. Okay, so that just about concludes this review. I want to remind you guys to like our video, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Check out the link, it's inside of our video description, and subscribe, like our video.